The frilled shark is in the Chlamydilocecae family. It has a thin and elongated body. It is responsible for some sea serpent sightings. The frilled shark is an uncommon primitive shark species typically found near the sea floor in waters over outer continental and island shelves and in upper slopes. They eat squid, other sharks, and bony fishes. The frilled shark is an ovoviviparous animal where the embryos emerge from the egg capsules inside their mother's uterus and are nourished by their yolk until birth. Frilled sharks' gestation period may be as long as 3.5 years, the longest of any vertebrate. Although no one has ever observed the shark hunting, scientists theorize that the frilled shark strikes suddenly at its prey, similar to an eel. Many frilled sharks are found with the tips of their tails missing, probably from predatory attacks by other shark species. Parasites identified from this shark include the tapeworm, the fluke, and the nematode. Scientists have also devised that these sharks are being affected by pollutions, making them susceptible to illness, in addition to changes in climate that affected the water temperatures and numerous other current-day issues. Frilled sharks have hydrocarbon and oil-filled livers that are responsible for their ability to float or hover in water. They are misfortunately killed in the nets of trawlers in Japan and have been found in fertilizers, animal food, and even our food. They are listed by the World Conservation Union as being a species near threatened. They are taken more commonly as bycatch in several fisheries. As bycatch, this species is variously either used for meat, fish meal, or discarded. Occasionally they are kept in aquaria. There is some concern that the expansion of deepwater fisheries will increase the levels of bycatch. Although little is known about its life history, this deepwater species is likely to have very little resilience to depletion as a result of even non-target exploitation. They thought the frilled shark was the Loch Ness Monster at first. The sea slug is a nudibranch. It has a radial, elongated body shape and lives in shallow and deep oceans. Sea slugs are herbivores. They eat plankton and decaying matter on the ocean floor and graze coral reef for algae. Predators include fish, crabs, and lobsters. Some have tentacles that they can wrap around other predators so that the predators cannot eat them. Others have colorful markings or are defenseless. The sea slug is a hermaphrodite, meaning that the sea slug has both male and female reproductive organs. Sea slugs release eggs into water in ribbon-like sticky clusters which can contain thousands of eggs. The eggs are fertilized and the sea slug larvae soon develop and become bigger after hatching from their sticky eggs. The solar power sea slug are herbivorous sea slugs that feed on algae by puncturing the outer wall of cells and sucking the sap out of them. Some of these sea slugs keep the chloroplasts alive with their own tissue. The live chloroplasts continue to produce sugars and oxygen within their new home. This is a symbiotic relationship. Another symbiotic relationship is the blue ocean slug. It has the ability to ingest the pneumocytes of the prey and incorporate them for their own protection. Humans do not prey on sea slugs, however, the sea slug is in the conservation classification with the least concern. There have been no specific efforts to conserve sea slugs, but the ocean is a delicate place, and tiny changes to its composition can cause serious devastation. Adding carbon to the atmosphere contributes to global warming and climate change. Another less discussed impact is ocean acidification, which also affects sea slugs. Another cool fact is that nudibranch means naked gills. Thanks for watching.